All right, at this point, you should be done making your tessellation tile. If you did not do this yesterday, you need to go back and watch yesterday's video that tells you all about how to make one of these tessellation tiles. Remember, your top piece needs to go from corner to corner and straight down, attach. Side piece needs to go from corner to corner, cut it out, slide it to the other side, and attach. These have to be done accurately because they need to be able to fit together like this. This is what a tessellation is. So here's my other tile, and all of these pieces fit together exactly. You could always make one of these and see if you can make them fit, just to test it out to make sure that it's done correctly and accurately. Once you are done making your tessellation tile though, the next part of our project is not to do this. The next part of our project is you're gonna come up with some ideas. So trace your tessellation tile 3 times onto a sheet of paper. So here I have traced my tile 3 times. I traced it this way, and I did some the other way. And I'm gonna come up with 3 different things that I could transform these shapes into. And so I actually have already started. This one, I made it into a rose, and that fit together really well. I'm surprised by that one. I feel like it turned out pretty cool. And then this one, I was gonna make a frog. I mentioned that in yesterday's video, but I felt like it looked more like a chameleon, so I decided to do a chameleon. The next one that I'm doing, I have this curve right here that's like a wave. And so I wanna do another wave down below it so that this can look like a flag. And so my thought is that I can put stripes on it or something, make it look like the American flag even. I need to count my stripes because I like to make these kind of things accurate. And then down below it, I started drawing out the lines necessary to make it look like an eagle. And so this is my patriotic one. Whatever your ideas are, you're going to draw 3 different ones. Now, yesterday I had a kid that asked me if it was okay to make the 3 different ideas on 3 different tessellation tile pieces. And I would say, sure, that works for me. Just don't lose your tile. When you are working with your project, we're going to be needing to have this for the next couple of weeks without it getting lost, and it's kind of small. The project that we're doing after we come up with ideas is going to be on the giant paper. Do y'all remember getting this really big paper a really long time ago? I imagine that there are probably plenty of people who are actually out of this size paper. If you are not sure, it is the 18 by 12 inch paper. If you don't have any, let your teacher know. I have a feeling that we need to start putting a little bit more paper out so that people can drive up to the school and pick up some more of this paper. But for now, any paper you have, you can do today's assignment on. This is where you are drawing out 3 different ideas for 3 different creative ways that you can transform your tile shape into something cool. Have fun.